Hey there, today I have a J.Crew Factory haul. So recently I did some shopping online at J.Crew Factory. I saw they had a pretty good sale going where they had 50% off the retail, where it's usually, I think it's usually 30 or 40%. And then there was an additional 20% off if you're a J.Crew Passport member. And for some reason I must have signed up for that a while ago. And I also had another $10 off for some birthday thing. So anyway, I thought, oh, why don't I take a look? So I did, and I found 5 items. And I spent about $189. So not the cheapest haul, but, and yes, this is Miss Cleo, our foster dog who we ended up officially adopting, yay. So yeah, she's like my constant companion now. I mean, Kaya's right there, but this Miss Cleo is like right by my side. But anyway, let's go ahead and open this up and see what I got. Yeah, she's very interested in what I'm doing. So it's hard to believe Miss Cleo was a actual stray. She was found as a stray, I believe in Waipahu, but she's very friendly. And she gets along with all other animals except for cats, I guess, because she's still not getting along with Lily, our cat. So now we're just keeping them separate as much as possible. And then I think eventually after she's settled down, maybe a few months, we'll do slow introductions. And I'm also going to work on just sit, stay, all that stuff, so maybe she won't chase. We'll see. But okay, anyway, here is my box. So I got 5 things, and you'll see, denim and white. But yeah, I got actually 3 pairs of jeans and 2 shirts. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead, I'll take everything out of the plastic and we'll see what I got. Okay, so first off, I got this gauze shirt. And this is the Petite gauze button-up shirt in a size small petite. And the retail on this is $89.50. But since they were having a promotion, it was $44.50. Then I got an additional 20% off, so I ended up getting it for $33.74. And this is 100% cotton, machine wash, imported. So yeah, I mean, I think this is just a very basic white shirt. Small petite. It does actually look kind of small because, I was thinking I could wear it maybe over stuff. But yeah, we'll try it on. The shoulders look a little small, but you never know until you try it on. Okay, next up, I got a pair of drawstring pants, well, denim pants. And these are the Petite denim drawstring pant, size small petite, and the price says it's $148, but I don't know, I guess it was on sale for $49.95. That's more than 50% off. And then since I got 20% off, I got it for $37.87. This says the inseam is 25 inches. It's 100% cotton, machine wash, imported. So yeah, it's just like a very, looks like comfortable drawstring pant. I don't know about this tie in the front, we'll see. And it has kind of a cuffed bottom, which isn't sewn, so you can uncuff it, I guess, if you want. Yeah. Okay, not bad. Okay, next, I got this chambray shirt. And this one is the chambray shirt, and it's size small. I forgot to get the petite in this one, so this is a regular. It says the comparable value price is $89.50, but then since it was 50% off, it was $44.50, and then I got it 20% off that, so $33.74. It's 100% cotton, machine wash, imported. Yeah, so this is kind of a nice thicker chambray. It almost feels like a really thin denim, and I liked that it's this very dark wash. So yeah, I was just envisioning actually both of these shirts to be like over shirts that you could just kind of wear instead of a jacket. I like to do that sometimes. So we'll see how this looks. Next, I got a pair of jeans. And these are the Petite wide leg crop jean in all day stretch in the color Spring Storm Wash. And this was a size 26 petite. Yeah, usually with J.Crew I have to go with the 26 versus most other brands I go with the 27. And then the price on this, it says it's $118, but they had a special oh that's right, all jeans were $49.95. So that was a pretty good deal. And then I got another 20% off, so I got it for $37.86. This one, it says the inseam is 24.5, which should work for me because I'm only 5'1". This says it's 99% cotton, 1% elastane, machine wash, imported. So yeah, I'm kind of hopeful for these. They are kind of stretchy, but not super stretchy. So we'll see. And it has this raw hem, which I don't know. I'm not really a huge fan of raw hem, but it's okay. I don't totally hate it. So yeah, I hope these fit because I think they're cute. Okay, and lastly, I got a pair of white jeans. They're basically the same wide leg jean. And this is the same petite wide leg crop jean, but in all day stretch, but I got them in the color seashell white, and same 26 petite and $37.87 and inseam 24.5. And this one, the white is 98% cotton, 2% elastane. So instead of 1%, it has 2%, so slightly different. But it does feel like a fairly thick white denim material. And I hope it's not too sheer. We'll see. But yeah, I mean, these look pretty nice. I have another pair of white jeans, but they're not wide leg. So I thought, give it a try. Okay, so that was everything I got in my J.Crew Factory haul. So now I'm gonna go ahead and try everything on, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so here is that white gauze button front shirt. And yeah, I think this is actually the right size. It doesn't feel like it's too small, which I thought it would be. And I just have it worn like over like a tank top with the sleeves rolled up a little. And I think that looks nice. I think you could actually wear this over, yeah, like a tank top or a t-shirt and with jeans or shorts, and it would be kind of like a nice casual look. Yeah, I think so. Okay, so here it is also tucked in. So I think this is just kind of a nice basic, yeah? I've been looking for a white button front shirt. I've tried a bunch, but I kind of like this one. I mean, this is a gauze material, so it's very cool and comfortable. Hope it doesn't shrink though, because it is just right. But yeah, I think this is nice, and I think this is a keeper. Okay, so here is the chambray shirt. Right. And this is a small, but it's not the petite, so that's why I think it's a little long. Shucks. So yeah, I had meant to purchase the petite. For some reason I didn't. I don't know why. But you know, it is supposed to be like kind of oversized, I think, and worn like over like a shirt. So I have like a sleeveless t-shirt here. So yeah, I think that looks pretty nice. Yeah, just wear it over. Just wish it was a little shorter. And Cleo, hi Cleo, she's just chilling. She's following me, and then Kaya's in the air-conditioned room. But yeah, okay, so I think this looks pretty cute. But we'll see. I mean, I don't know if it's worth it for me to exchange this if I have to pay for shipping. I'll have to check on that. Okay, but not bad. I like that it's kind of a dark wash. I don't have a shirt like this. It's a nice quality. It feels pretty sturdy and heavy material. And I just have it out, but you could probably just button it and tuck it in and wear it as a shirt. I don't think it would probably work with these jeans because they're a little tight and white. But yeah, I think this is cute. Okay, so here are the drawstring denim pants. And yeah, I would say these are pretty nice. They're a little on the baggy side, and I think that's how they're supposed to look. So I don't know if they're like super flattering, but they're kind of a fun casual look, I think, you know. And yeah, I like that they're, you know, like this pull-on style, and I think the length is just right. It's above the ankle on me, and again, I'm 5'1", and it does have like a cuff, but you can unroll them. Let's see. So if I were to unroll them, this is how long they'd be, but I think it probably looks cuter cuffed. Yeah, so I think this is kind of a nice casual, everyday kind of pants, you know. I could just wear this, I don't know, just shopping or running around, and I think it would look nice. It's cute. Okay, so here are the Petite wide leg crop jeans in the all-day stretch. And it's supposed to be a 24.5-inch inseam, but I swear these look longer than those drawstring jeans. Yeah, and I also got the 26 Petite on these, and to be honest, they were a little hard to put on. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm not gonna be able to fit into these. But once I got them on, I think they fit. It's just, I think the zipper is a little short or something. I don't know. But yeah, I mean, I think they look okay. Maybe I need to lose a couple pounds. I don't know. I did gain a couple pounds. Too many Girl Scout cookies. But yeah, I mean, I do like these jeans. I think the wash is nice. These are kind of more of a lighter wash. And yeah, not bad. Okay, so here are the Petite wide leg crop jeans in the white color. And actually I like these kind of better than the other one for some reason. They weren't as difficult to put on. I think maybe this one had a little more stretch. It had like 2% elastane versus 1%. But it did have the same kind of shorter zipper, which I'm not sure why they did that. But yeah, I think these are kind of cute. And I just have this paired with, I don't know if you watched my Stitch Fix unboxing in February. Yeah, this is one of the tops that I kept. So yeah, I think that looks kind of cute. And I don't have a pair of wide leg white jeans. So yeah, I think this is nice. Probably worth keeping because I paid under $40 for them. And that's a really good price, I think, for J.Crew or J.Crew Factory. Okay, so that was everything I got in my J.Crew Factory haul this time. And yeah, I thought I got some pretty good deals, especially on the jeans. We'll see though. And also just FYI, if you guys are interested in anything that you see in this video or any of my other videos, I always try to link everything down below if I can. Okay, but anyway, let me know what you guys thought of all the clothes. I'm not sure what I'll be keeping. I think for sure, I really did like this gauze white button front shirt and the white jeans. But as for the rest of it, I'm kind of on the fence. What I'll probably do is watch the footage of the try-ons and see how everything look. Because sometimes, you know, like I think they look nice. Like I kind of like these elastic waist jeans or drawstring jeans, but we'll see. I'm not really completely sold on how flattering they were, and yeah, I don't know. They're kind of like joggers, except they're denim, and I kind of think that's a cool look. But now it's time to say goodbye, and I'm going to call Miss Kaya because Cleo has been kind of like following me around all day, and she gets a lot of attention. So I can't forget Kaya, who's my #1 BFF. And here is Miss Kaya. She was sleeping. But she has been a wonderful big sister to Miss Cleo, yeah? I mean, we've had Cleo, we fostered her for almost 3 weeks, and then we just adopted her a few days ago. But she's been really good. She hasn't been jealous or anything like that. She's just been very, very sweet and nice. And Miss Cleo, we're really happy to have her. I feel like, we never rescued a dog before, and she just feels like, it just feels good. She was actually like I said, I think I mentioned she was a stray, and when we got her, she had like scars on her back that they didn't know how she got them, and they said most likely her fur won't grow back there. So I kind of wonder like what happened, and what kind of life she had before on the streets. Poor thing, right? But now she's found a home with us. But we can't forget Miss Kaya, because Kaya is a super sweet dog and just a wonderful, wonderful friend. But anyway, that's all I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos. And if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now. Say bye.